Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, watch it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Hey there, and thank you guys for stopping by. Today's video is my soft glam, dewy and radiant makeup tutorial that is perfect for Valentine's Day. I didn't want to do anything too crazy, and I'm always into youthful glowing skin, so I wanted to share this tutorial with you guys. I love it. I used a mixture of higher end and affordable makeup, so you don't have to break the bank to get a really good Valentine's Day look. I'll have all of the products I use in the description box below, so go ahead and check those out. I'll have links there for you so you can head straight to the website to go and check them out. And also, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll make sure to respond to you guys. I do want to say thank you guys so much for 600 subscribers. I know I've been gone for quite some time. I'll probably film a video about why I kind of took a little break here on YouTube. So let me know if you're interested in seeing that. I might just film it anyways. But yeah, thank you guys so much for 600 subscribers. It definitely made my day when I found out. And that means we're so close to 1,000, and then we're so close to 100,000, and next thing you know, there'll be 1 million subscribers. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you are new to the channel and you're not already subscribed, then do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you have any video requests, if you have any video requests, leave them down below in the comments. I'll make sure to film the videos for you guys. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I already applied my moisturizer beforehand, and that's pretty much about it that I applied on my skin. So I'm gonna go in with my Pixie Glow Mist. And then to get the glow underneath my skin, I'm gonna use this glow serum. As you can see, it's just a light little glow to my skin. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Foundation. This is one of my all-time favorite drugstore foundations. To make this amped up a little bit and a little bit more glowy, I want to apply my MAC Strobe Cream. Okay, next onto my two favorite products. As you can see, these are super dirty. These are the Fenty Matchsticks. I have the color Suede and Espresso for a contour and a highlight. I'm gonna start off with the concealer, and I'm gonna put this on all the usual areas of the face. So I'm gonna put this underneath the eye, the bridge of my nose, a little bit of my forehead, and then above my lips, just to bring some nice light to those areas. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend this all in. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Matchstick in the color Espresso, and I'm just going to cream contour with this. So I'm putting this underneath my cheekbones. So I know my cheekbones start right here, and I'm putting this right underneath. Like, look at that shade. Magical. And while I'm already here, I might as well put on my highlighter. So this is the Fenty Matchstick in the color Cinnamon. Beautiful look. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the high parts of my cheeks. All right, so now it's time to powder the skin. I'm using my all-time favorite, the Laura Mercier, because I want to keep that glow and all of that going. I'm not going to bake for a long time. I'm literally just going to apply this to set the makeup on my face. And I'm just gonna lightly put this underneath my eyes and around the face, just a little bit. I'm mainly putting this anywhere where I have a lot of oil. This is my all-time favorite contour powder. This is the Black Radiance Pressed Powder in the color Ebony. And I'm just gonna add some definition to my nose because I just put a bunch of foundation on and I'm looking kind of flat. So So now I'm gonna move on to my eyeshadow. I'm gonna take my MAC Laying Low paint pot. I'm gonna add my crease transition color, and this is the Pure Be Your Selfie palette. And I'm gonna take this color called Natural right here. And then I'm gonna take this color called Strong that's at the bottom of the palette, which is more like a reddish brown. And I'm just gonna layer that right on top, but a little bit lower than where I put the natural color. I'm gonna go in with the color Moscow Mule, which is this shade right here, a nice peachy color. I'm just gonna apply this cream shadow. This is LOC's One and Done Shadow Stick in the color Heavy Petal. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of this because this is so pigmented, but it's really pretty. I wanna open up the eyes a little bit. So I'm gonna use this NYX Wonder Pencil, and this is in the color Dark. I'm gonna use the Real Techniques accent brush and MAC's Corduroy eyeshadow, which is a nice neutral dark brown. And I'm gonna apply that to my lower lash line. For liner, I'm using my all-time favorite liner. This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. You guys need to get this stuff. Also, now that my foundation is done and my powders are on, I'm gonna apply a little bit more of the Pixie Glow Mist. I'm gonna move on to lashes, and I love these ones right here. These are the faux mink ones. And then I also love the Ardell Wispies. These are like some of my favorite lashes ever. They're a little bit flared on the end, which is perfect for my kind of eye shape, which is like hooded eye shape. So I think, let's see, what do I wanna wear? So I'm gonna put on my lashes and I'll be right back. I'm back. Lashes are on. Look how pretty they look. I always say that, but every time I put them on, they look so good. I'm gonna let that finish drying, and then I'm gonna put just a thin layer of my liquid liner on top just to hide that band. But now I'm gonna put on my blush, and I'm going to use my Champagne Pot? Okay, Hyacinth and Champagne Pot color. And I normally don't put the blush like right on the apples of the cheeks, but since we are going for a fresh faced type of look, I will put this a little bit on the cheeks. I'm gonna start by lining my lips with the MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. So I have two lipsticks that I absolutely love and I think would look really good with this makeup look. Laura Mercier Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick, and this is in the color Fresh, and then I have the color Hot. So the color Hot is like a really pretty reddish berry color. I always get a lot of compliments on this when I wear it. And then this one right here is the color Fresh, which is a nice light pinky color. So I'm gonna take the color Fresh. I'm gonna take my Milani. This is their Milani Brilliant Shine Lip Gloss in the color Ravish Raspberry. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love how dewy and fresh my skin looks. It is perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you guys do recreate this look, definitely tag me on Insta. Leave all of your video requests and what you want to see from me or any questions that you have in the comments down below. I make sure to respond to everyone. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!